Hey everybody, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about utilizing the Boss foaming system on a daily driven car that you detail on a regular basis or a garage clean that is kept indoors. Our routine maintenance method utilizes foaming surface wash as it retains your base coat of wax or sealant, allowing you to enhance your vehicle shine using foaming polyglass. Insert the appropriate metering tip and thread on foaming surface wash. Attach your Boss foam cannon to your pressure washer. Apply foaming surface wash in slow, even passes from the ground up. Be sure to address wheel wells, fuel filler compartment, and other areas that require further cleaning. This step is essential to release all the abrasive, residual contaminant and carry it to the ground. Using your pressure washer and green or yellow nozzle, work the panel from bottom up and top down. Be methodical and overlap your passes working at a slow to moderate pace. This is where you release any remaining abrasive contamination from the paint before you ever have to touch it, drastically reducing or eliminating the risk of wash-induced scratches. Using the 2-bucket method, wash from the top down with a microfiber wash tool of your choice. Do a quick rinse of the surface from the top down after everything has been gone over. Reconnect your cannon and thread on your foaming polyglass. Apply a uniform application of foam around the entire vehicle. Allow the foam to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you're ready to see the benefits of polyglass. Quickly rinse from the top down using your pressure washer equipped with a green nozzle and watch the water fly off the surface. Dry with a PFM Terry Weave drying towel and enjoy your freshly clean and protected vehicle. So there you have it. Using the routine maintenance method is a quick and fun way to wash your car safely, leave behind polymer protection, and reduce the potential for wash-induced scratches. Thank you for watching. For more information, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.